What about this one? Oh, hey, bro, I was gonna pick that one.
Well, then why is it in my hands?
Hey, babe, Taya, let's just get another.
I don't want another plan, okay? I want this one.
Listen to your wife, buddy. You don't want any part of this.
She's not my wife, jerk.
Let it go.
Or what, huh?
Or I'm gonna kick your little...
You said let it go. Oh, yo.
Oh, dude.
You're under arrest for assault. I'm off duty APD.
Wait, but you swung first.
Yeah? Tell it to the judge.
Listen, what that cop said is BS, and he totally started it.
We know.
You do?
That guy's always been such a dick. Here, let me help you with those.
So why is there an FBI agent here?
I'm from Immigrations and Customs Enforcement.
Nice.
As a dreamer, I'm sure you're aware any unlawful actions puts your DACA status in jeopardy.
That's crazy. I didn't know that was a cop.
We've had to make a very difficult decision.
Decision? What decision?
I'm saying we're deporting you, Mr. Chavez.